It's a cold, frosty morning in Hereford. The Wye Bridge in Hereford is one of the city's most historic river crossings. The impressive stone bridge dates back to the 15th century and has been a crucial link between the north and south of the city. Its 7 arches and solid masonry designs have withstood the test of time, making it one of Hereford's most notable landmarks. Hereford is a charming city with a rich history. Starting at Cathedral Green, you're greeted by the stunning sight of Hereford Cathedral, a masterpiece of medieval architecture. The green itself is a peaceful spot, perfect for admiring the intricate stonework of the cathedral, which dates back over 1,300 years. Just outside on the Cathedral Green stands a statue of Sir Edward Elgar, one of Britain's greatest composers. Born in 1857, the statue shows him with his bicycle gazing towards the cathedral. A short walk leads to Castle Green, a tranquil park on the site of Hereford Castle, which once played a crucial role in England's medieval conflicts. Though little remains of the castle today, the area provides a lovely green space with views over the River Wye, an ideal spot for a quiet rest or a picnic. The Nelson Monument in Castle Green is a striking tribute to Admiral Lord Horatio Nelson, one of Britain's greatest naval heroes. Standing tall in the heart of this park, the monument was erected in 1809, just 4 years after Nelson's death at the Battle of Trafalgar. The monument is impressive, crafted from Forest of Dean stone, and it holds a special place in Hereford's history. From Castle Green you can descend towards the River Wye, one of the most picturesque rivers in England. Strolling along its banks you'll pass over Victoria Bridge, a historic iron suspension bridge built in 1898. The bridge with its elegant design is a local landmark and provides a perfect crossing point for those exploring both sides of the river. Walking across you can take in wonderful views of the water where swans and ducks glide peacefully. Continue along the river path, you reach the King George V playing fields, a vast open space so popular for walking, jogging and recreational activities. On sunny days, families gather here, children playing football, dog walkers enjoying the fresh air. The fields provide a sense of openness and relaxation, a contrast to the historic heart of the city. Nearby, rowing boats and kayakers can often be seen gliding along the Wye, adding to the lively yet peaceful atmosphere. This circular walk, which links some of Hereford's most cherished spots, provides a perfect mix of history, culture and natural beauty. Whether admiring the cathedral, reflecting on Elgar's legacy, enjoying the greenery of Castle Green, or following the winding path of the River Wye, this journey offers a glimpse into what makes Hereford such a special place.
Please like, subscribe and share to this channel, and click the bell to get notifications of new content.